A wall is represented by the equation x equals 4. A ladder is perpendicular to the wall and passes through the point 0, 1. What is the equation of the ladder? Well, the wall is a vertical line, x equals 4. So if I quickly made a sketch on an xy plane here, our equation x equals 4 at 4 here is just a vertical line right there at 4. So that's our wall. Now they say that the ladder is perpendicular to the wall. So if it's not vertical, it's going to be horizontal and passes to the point 0, 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. It passes through this point right here. So here, I'll put as a little dashed line, is our ladder. All right? This is kind of laying down. All right, so it's perpendicular to the wall, ladder. What is the equation of the ladder? Well, if you think about it, it passes to the point 0, 1, and it's a horizontal line. So that means its slope is 0, and it passes to the point 0, 1. That's our y-intercept. So if we use y equals mx plus b here, m is our slope, which is 0. We have y equals 0x plus b, the y-intercept, which is 1. And so we have y equals, well, 0 times x is 0. Don't need it. We have a 1. Same thing for the point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Y minus y1, our point, 1 equals m. Our slope 0 times x minus x1, which is 0, like there. Well, 0 times everything is just 0 here. Y minus 1. Add a 1 to both sides, and we get y equals 1. So either way, we got y equals 1. So the equation of the line of the ladder is y equals 1.